Hi guys, this is from the India Studio, and in this video we are going to unbox the display for Infocus M350 smartphone. And this is the Infocus M350 smartphone. The display has gone, but actually the touch is complete with this smartphone, but we cannot replace the touch itself, but we have to change the display and the touch. Okay, so the touch digitizer is not available, but the display and the touch digitizer is available for this smartphone. And I have bought this display from the eBay itself, and this video will be checking the reliability of eBay itself. And one thing that I have ordered the display for this smartphone, and that was the touch was not working, and it was replaced by this one. And now let me just unbox this one and check how it could be the display, whether eBay is safe or not to buy a display for a smartphone. And this one got for 2000 rupees, and I used a code to reduce the price, so it was actually 2200 rupees, I think so, and I got it for 2000 rupees. And now let me just unbox this one and check whether the display is there or not. Okay, and so this is the first time I am buying a display from eBay, because most of my friends said that eBay is not safe because they will cheat their customers. And but yes, I think there is the display. Let me just yes, it's safely packed, I would say, because lots of sponges and cushions are used. Yes, let me just check. Yes, it's safely packed, and here comes the display. Yes, it's the display for the Infocus M350, as you can see from here itself. And when I just called the service man, he said that this display is doubly checked, and he has checked this display on as a smartphone and said that touch is working and it's perfectly alright. And so this is the display, and this is the touch digitizer that comes, and this is the connecting cable. We have to connect this to the smartphone itself. And here this smartphone is actually the display is not working, and you cannot turn it on. Actually it's turning on, but the display is not working, and you need a heater to remove this display and it's but I'm not doing that because I'm not a professional. I was just doing this video to check whether eBay is a good thing or not. What do you say, believe it or not? Yes, that's it. And so I think the display is good, and the quality is okay. So there was a quick look at the display of this Infocus M350, and to check the reliability of eBay. And initial impression is that I'm impressed. So let me just check by installing this to the smartphone and check how it should work or not, or I should go for a replacement or not. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.